Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something really special for you. It's the 2025 Isuzu Motorhome in this stunning blue color. If you're into traveling in style, comfort, and a bit of adventure, this motorhome could be exactly what you're looking for. We're going to take a full tour and review of this beauty, covering everything from the exterior to the interior, washroom, bedroom, performance, and of course the pricing. So let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The design of the 2025 Isuzu Motorhome is sleek and modern, especially in this beautiful blue color. It has a bold yet refined look with clean lines and a well-proportioned shape that makes it stand out on the road. The body is built with durable materials to withstand the rigors of travel, while maintaining that fresh, polished look. The front grille and headlights give it a more rugged, adventure-ready feel, and the large windows provide a great view whether you're on the road or parked up at a campsite. As for the wheels, they're large, with a solid chassis that promises stability even when you're going over rough terrain. The side storage compartments are spacious and easy to access, making it convenient for all your outdoor gear and essentials. Overall, it looks both stylish and practical, which is exactly what you want in a motorhome. Now, let's step inside. Technology-wise, it's a bit on the basic side, but that's not a bad thing if you're looking for something less distracting while you're out on the trails. The touchscreen infotainment system is responsive, and you've got all the essential connectivity features like Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay. The air conditioning controls are simple and easy to reach, and there's even a USB port for charging your devices on the go. Now, let's step inside. As soon as you open the door, you'll notice the spacious feel and high-quality finishes. The layout is extremely well thought out, with a contemporary yet cozy design. The living area is perfect for relaxing after a day of exploring. It has comfortable seating, a large table, and plenty of natural light from the windows that open up the space even more. You'll notice the use of premium materials, like soft-touch fabrics and sleek modern finishes, giving it that luxury feel without being overly flashy. The kitchen area is compact but functional, with all the essentials you need to cook on the go. You've got a gas stove, a microwave, and a fridge that can hold all your supplies for long trips. It's designed to be both efficient and stylish, offering plenty of counter space for food prep while still leaving room for movement. Moving on to the washroom. This is where the Isuzu Motorhome really stands out. It's compact but has everything you could need. There's a full shower, a modern toilet, and a sink, all cleverly integrated into a small space without feeling cramped. The materials used in the washroom are top-notch, and you can really tell that this is a space designed for comfort and practicality. Even when you're in the middle of nowhere, the shower is roomy with a sliding door to save space, and the water pressure is solid, which can sometimes be an issue in smaller RVs. Overall, a great washroom setup that doesn't sacrifice on quality or comfort. Now, let's check out the bedroom. The 2025 Isuzu Motorhome does not disappoint. The bed is large and comfortable, and with its memory foam mattress, you can expect a good night's sleep after a long day of adventuring. There's also plenty of storage around the bed, so you can easily stow away your clothes, gadgets, and personal items. It's an ideal setup for a couple or even small families who want a bit of space and privacy while traveling. And of course, the windows allow for natural light in the morning, but they also have blackout shades if you want to sleep in. In terms of performance, this motorhome really delivers. Powered by Isuzu's proven diesel engine, it provides plenty of power for both city driving and off-road excursions. The handling is smooth, and despite its size, it feels surprisingly easy to maneuver, even through tight spots or winding roads. On the highway, it cruises comfortably at higher speeds, and with its advanced suspension system, you hardly feel any bumps or dips. The fuel efficiency is impressive, especially for a vehicle of its size, so long trips are definitely doable without constantly worrying about fuel stops. Finally, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Isuzu Motorhome is priced in the higher end of the market, but when you consider the quality of build, the features, and the performance it offers, it's worth every penny. Expect to pay somewhere in the range of $100,000 to $130,000, depending on the specific features and packages you choose. Yes, it's an investment, but if you're someone who loves road trips or even living on the road full-time, this motorhome offers both luxury and functionality in one sleek package. So, there you have it. The 2025 Isuzu Motorhome is definitely a top contender if you're looking for comfort, style, and performance on the road. It's got all the features you need for an extended journey, plus a few extras that make it feel like home wherever you go. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more campervan reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think of this motorhome. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.